Well, here's the Westinghouse again. This time I have 4 blades and with a kit that I got at Home Depot for $18. And there's the Corey off. Let's go. Light. I like it with 4. Makes it look old. On. Blows a lot of air for it being a little weak. Medium. Off. Well. Off. You know, seen. I don't know. I'll show you how to do it, I guess. This fan's got a lot of torque. I mean, a lot of torque. Medium. No. Off. Yeah. Alright, if you look up there, that's my wiring setup. I used I think a 10-foot or 24-foot extension cord. I cut the end off, tied it around the beam, and yeah. I don't know why my stepdad says you can't have a fan out here. It'll help bring the heat down from up there. Whatever, he's got to have some control. I can't have all. Even though I wish. I don't think this fan will go up in my house. I really don't think it will. But that will, once I paint that brown blade. Alright. You'll see it. Alright. Well, that's it on the Westinghouse.